buy those neutral grays.
You were trying to get you to buy those
I
neutral
said
grays.
I like them. You said buy them. They're your size. No, you should buy them, bro. Buy them.
You're like one of the only people who has them.
I know.
My cousin's got canceled.
I heard. He was pissed.
He's big pissed.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Soul Status Quick Hitters. Today we're going to be talking about the Silver Toe Jordan 1s. So appreciate you guys for stopping by. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified anytime we do any videos like this and other kinds of videos. And let's get right into the review. So what do you guys think about these Silver Toes here?
Let's get it.
This is an absolute fire shoe.
Yeah.
I say it all the time. You give me a black toe, I'm here for it. You can almost not miss on the color when you do that for me. This is my favorite color blocking of the Jordan 1. The leather is really nice. I love the satin inside. This probably got to feel really good, like on your leg.
Oh, yeah.
Probably a hard shoe to find. A lot of people's reservations got canceled. Well, I know they did here because a lot of stores got their pair super late because of the storm just last week. So if you got your hands on a pair, you are super lucky. If you're looking for a pair, tax time is now. So hopefully you got kids or something. You're getting a little extra.
Or you don't have kids and you don't have to worry about that.
This is true. And you're not paying for those sorts of things. Yeah. I'll wait to ask a question till you guys give your reviews. So go ahead.
Like you said, fire shoe, the black toe, color blocking, the silver that they use, that tone, that silver, and just the material, like it's not patent leather.
Right.
It's
it looks like aluminum foil. I mean, I know it's not that, or it looks like silver spray paint.
Like I'm scared to try to crease this thing right now. The colorway is awesome, and the satin is better than most of them that I've seen before, like
with
the
nylon,
the snake skin, the satin snake and whatnot. It's really soft, really plush. Awesome shoe. I think from a distance, even up close, this is gonna be a shoe you wish you had.
I know would like to disagree with you guys, but I totally agree with you.
It's hard to disagree on this shoe right now.
You know I'm not a ones guy.
Yeah.
But I would actually wear the shoe. Now this goes with
shocked you say that.
Yeah, I know. It's a little shocking. But this actually goes with a lot of the type of stuff that I have.
You hate the one silhouette on your foot. I don't know necessarily mean you hate the shoe.
I love the one silhouette in terms of the aesthetic and the appeal of how it looks.
Sure.
But I am a comfort guy. And these shoes for me, I mean,
if they stuck the Zoom Air insoles in like a regular OG one and didn't tell you, would that make the difference for you?
It would definitely help if they did like a Lunarlon insole or some sort of like athletic, like if they basically made this inside a running shoe or an actual basketball shoe, if they made ones comfortable enough to play in
2021.
Yeah. I can wear them for like an hour or two and put up with it, but I'm not wearing this shoe all day long.
He sees me leaning over the counter like to get weight off my shoe, off my foot,
dude,
just because how
Trey
uncomfortable
wrestles in ones.
Yeah.
That's true. And if you got a flat foot, maybe it's not that bad.
He wrestled in some turbo greens the other day. Yeah, they like go out there and do all those like flips and stuff in ones. Shout out to them.
Yeah,
it's kind of
the real MVP. One thing you guys didn't touch on, which I think is really cool, because I did just pick up a personal pair of Sean Clivert Dunks.
Yes, you did.
And one of my favorite parts of that shoe are the laces.
Yes.
And these actually come with the extra laces.
Come with this, silver
laces. They pop.
They remind me of the silver tinsel laces that come in the Sean Cliverts.
Just flat?
Yeah.
Just flat.
And
they have shiny.
They have that like tinsel looking.
Like a glitter. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And I think that this will tie in the silver really well on the toe and the heel.
Now, would you put the silver laces in?
I would.
Really?
Just because I think that there's so much black on here, because you have the black here on the tongue, you have the black pretty much everywhere else in the black swoosh. The only place that the silver is here on the heel and on the toe. I feel like this silver would just help tie it in real nice. And if you got some white gold or some nice silver bling, maybe some nice earrings, a watch,
yeah, it'll be nice.
it could be a really nice fit, and I feel like you could also wear this in a classy way too, where you might even be able to wear this
With the suit?
with the suit.
Yeah.
Is it almost like tuxedo Jordan 11s, like cap and gowns? Or-
Yes, I would
Close.
say yes.
Actually, I think these are kind of better
Oh yeah.
because I don't always like the color blocking on that particular 11.
And when I see people wear 11s with like suits, I don't know, it
They're
just kind of
big.
looks a little weird to me.
A
But
little
these
bulky.
almost have a dress shoe type of shape,
Yeah,
with the flat bottoms, and you know, I don't know. I could definitely see somebody wearing a nice fitted tux or something, or even just like a suit. You go into a business meeting, you got some J's on, and respect. Hat
Yeah.
off to you.
what would you rather have? Did you
Oh.
move them?
Oh.
These pair of OG Shadows. Well,
I have to pick one or the other.
Yeah, sure. Or just which one do you like more?
I would probably pick the Shadow ones, just because the leather quality on them was really nice. Just because I sold them for nothing 2-3 years ago, and I want them back, and maybe I just don't have that fanboy with this one, right? I'm not a big fan of it just yet, and I've been dreaming about this. I don't know.
I would probably go with the silver toes.
You
which is-
like that
That's
shoe?
gonna be that's
This guy's
controversial.
surprising me right now.
It's a hot take, but to be honest, the main appeal of this shoe is that it's an OG.
That's where I was gonna go.
Yeah,
Like it's an OG. I probably go with the Shadow, but I would not kick this out of bed for eating crackers.
Oh,
like
no.
it's
That's
a
a great
phenomenal shoe. It's
Great
a
shoe.
really, really good looking shoe. So I don't know.
Did you see that video of that YouTube guy, the guy on YouTube, like standing out in front of the line at the shoe store, like fighting women?
oh yeah,
That big guy
It did get into
screaming,
it.
not the people
No.
fighting. There's a video of a bigger gentleman, maybe he's like 6'5",
Sure.
huge. I mean, scary, screaming. I don't care. I'm gonna be the first one to walk up in here and get this shoe. Like, I don't know if he cut in line, what the story was, but they were making fun of this dude. Like, dude, it's not that serious. You look like a man of money. Go and spend $300 and pay the resale, $400 and pay the resale of this shoe. Like, he was gonna kill somebody.
It's not ever that serious.
It should never be that serious.
It's not ever that serious. Like there's so many things that. Yes, this is a great looking shoe. There's so many things you can find that's probably close
Yeah.
to it, man.
You know that's all Nike's fault though.
How
It's
so?
Make more
because
pairs.
make men's pairs. If
Make
you
more
don't
pairs.
make
They
more
need-
pairs, but also make like men's. Like if they did a men's sizing, men's sizes wouldn't be so hard to get. It's just kind of comical because like a dude was getting ready to put his hands on a woman because he wanted a woman's shoe.
Yeah.
It's like, dude, just make the men's shoes. Make
And
them
I'm sure
shoes.
she doesn't care because she knows she's not gonna get the 16W. She's
Right.
gonna go for the 7.
Yeah.
She's okay. Go ahead, motherfucker. Go be the first one. I don't care. Like, he's really yelling at the man and everybody behind him, reselling the shoe. But
Yeah, do a full family size run on something like this when you know that it's gonna be desirable, and
then it's not as sought after, and then it's not as exclusive, and then it's not as
That's not true.
how.
It
If you
was-
made more of these, more people have them, and less people would want them.
They made 2 million pairs of bread 11s
Yeah, Bread
and
11s.
sold out.
Those are classics,
So
okay, they made 250,000 pairs of mochas.
and you can't find them anymore.
It's true.
if they made 1 million, you still wouldn't be able to find them.
I don't think they'd be 550 right now. I think they'd be like 350.
Probably.
Cool.
Yeah, which is good for everybody.
Nike ain't selling them for 500.
And they would have
bucks.
sold out too, even at 500,000. They probably would have sold them all out. So yeah, maybe Nike is not really having the issue. The issue is supply and demand.
If you haven't done it by now, make sure you hit the big button underneath. Hit that subscribe for us. Make sure it's red so you know that you're subscribed. Hit the bell icon next to it so you get notified when the next videos come out. More quick hitters, more sneaker buys, all types of stuff. The vlogs, it's all coming. So stick around with us. We'll see you next time.
There's